Hello friends, JBM everyone. Good evening to all. Friends, right now I came before you with the one message on issue was registered from the Hyderabad city that came under the light and that published on the newspaper. Friends, three hold with 574 kg ganja. Three persons smuggling 574 kgs of ganja worth about 2.87 crores of worth. That registered and who are the smugglers, they were arrested by the Sangareddy district police officials on Monday. During the joint operation, on that time they were hold and who are the accused persons, they were they were nabbed by the police officials. The police officials said to us who are the accused persons. They were identified as a Pappu and Pinku and Prasad and Narayana. They all were involved in interstate trafficking of the ganja, narcotic. Like that, the police officials given the information to us. Acting on specific information bureau from the special the narcotic bureau and the center criminal station and Sadasivapeta police station, the police officials all were intercepted on the car and truck at the Sadasivapeta district bypass road, and during the special the searching operation, and the time they were seized the 287 packets of the ganja, and they were found in the truck, and that cancelled to the truck. Both vehicles, car and truck, both vehicles were seized by the Sadasivapet police officials, and then after the case has been registered on them who are the accused persons, and the police officials say to us who are the accused persons, we will produce them before the court. Like that, the police officials they given the information to us, and they sent to us the which are the which was the case the about the ganja is a contraband. You mean contraband, many contrabands are there. Contrabands such like means narcotic, marijuana, and the illicit liquor, and narcotic and ganja, and such like many the many contrabands are there. What about the contrabands? The contrabands, what the contrabands give the harm to us? Which type of the health issues will be rise? How the when the consumers consume the ganja, which are the contrabands, what will be what after what will be have, what will be happen? You mean friends, the previous time many cases was registered. The police officials they busted and they did the operation very well. Many cases were busted by the police officials across the Telangana state. Even that have been continuing, which are the contraband cases have been continuing. There is no cups, there is no complete controlling of the contrabands. First of all, really I am heartfully appreciating to the police officials across the Telangana state, and I am congratulate them about the their worth, their effort, what they were did operation. That's why I am heartfully congratulating and appreciating them. And I am same time sending the message to police officials from the Telangana state. Sir should be speed up your operation and should be control as possible as should be cup the completely which are the contraband cases, and who were um, hold by the police officials should be give the um, strict and stringent action to them, won't leave them, won't lose them. If you are lose them, if you are losing them, another one also take advantage and they also will be do that smuggling and trafficking. That's why who are smugglers, who are did the smuggling and who are did the trafficking, those were give the strict and stringent action. This is my humble request. And who are the youth and students won't involve such like cases which are the contrabands, won't involve and won't addict and won't consume those not good to health. Those are very harm and very harm to health, and that give the completely destroy and completely destroy to the health. That's why won't involve and won't consume everyone. This is my humble request to the my friends and youth and students. This far I came really very sad about those cases. That's why police officials as possible as should be control and should be curb. This is my humble request to police officials from the Telangana state. Thank you everyone. Jai Bhim.